Hello, my name is Lily. Today in this video, GRWM. First, let's moisturize. Now for some lip gloss. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!
Good morning! It is 6:30 a.m. and my day is about to start. I usually wake up early to have a relaxed morning. I like to take a moment to stretch and wake up my body. Time to get out of bed! No hitting the snooze button today. The weather looks beautiful today. It's going to be a good day. First stop, the bathroom. I need to wash my face.
Cold water helps me wake up instantly.
So fresh and clean. I love how I look today. Perfect.
Next, I brush my teeth. Dentists recommend doing this for 2 minutes. Now for some skincare. I apply a hydrating serum. Now I am heading to the kitchen. I am starving!
I cannot start my day without a fresh cup of coffee. I like to add a splash of oat milk to my coffee. For breakfast, I want something healthy and quick. Perfect, blueberries and strawberries with some juice.
Today, I am making an oatmeal bowl with fresh fruit. I top it with chia seeds and a little bit of honey.
I enjoy my breakfast in silence. It is a very peaceful time. Breakfast is done. Now, let's do some light makeup. Breakfast is done. Now, let's do some light makeup. A little bit of concealer helps to hide the dark circles. I brush my eyebrows to keep them in place all day. Mascara always makes my eyes look more awake.
A touch of blush gives my face a healthy glow. Finally, a bit of lip balm to keep my lips moisturized.
Moving on to my hair, I just brush it out and leave it down today. Now, let's choose an outfit. What should I wear today?
I think a smart casual look is perfect for the office. I add some simple accessories, like this watch.
And these gold earrings to complete the look.
I really like this outfit. It is comfortable but professional. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe this channel.